Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a template for CapCut. Alright, let's begin. First of all, note that there is no way to create a template without enrolling in the CapCut Creator program, but in order to create a template for personal use, follow my steps. To make a personal template in CapCut, start by creating a new project. Tap on New Project and import any video to begin. Once your video is added, you can start applying edits, such as overlays, text, filters, transitions, or effects, based on your style or purpose. CapCut allows full creative freedom here. You can add music, adjust timing, and include custom animations. Just build your project exactly how you'd want it reused. Once your editing is complete and the project looks the way you want, it's time to export. Tap the Export button at the top. After export, go back to the project list in CapCut. Locate your finished project, press and hold on it, and select Duplicate. This step creates a copy of your project so you can reuse the structure and edit the content later without starting from scratch. Keep in mind, if you want to create public templates for others to use, you'll need to apply for the CapCut Creator program, which is a separate process. So that's basically how you can create a template for CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.